Hello, and welcome to the Silent Unity prayer service for April 2025. I invite you to take a few moments to get settled and comfortable wherever you are, allowing the attention to turn gently inward, and the body and mind and heart relaxing and resting as we come together in prayer. As we enter this time of prayer, we release all other intentions and distractions. We choose to be fully present, opening heart and mind to the infinite love, wisdom, and life that flows through us. The power and presence of God embraces us. Divine love permeates every part of our being, guiding, sustaining, and filling us with peace. Wholeheartedly, we surrender to this moment, trusting in the wisdom and the divine purpose that unfolds within. Our first affirmation is, the breath of life flows through me. As I breathe in, I embrace peace. As I breathe out, I release peace into the world. In the deep knowing of my connection with God and my divine nature, I quiet all confusion. My mind and heart align, becoming sure and steady in truth. Nothing can shake my peace or disrupt the harmony within me, for I am anchored in the unshakable peace of the divine. I am renewed, centered, and held in this sacred stillness with each breath. Our next affirmation is, I am whole, I am strong, I am aligned with the infinite power of life within me. I am anchored in the truth of my wholeness, fully aware of the divine life flowing through every part of my being. My mind is renewed as I embrace thoughts of healing and strength. My body is restored as I bless each cell, knowing it is infused with divine vitality. My spirit is uplifted as I center myself, in the quiet stillness of God's presence. Together we affirm, I am one with the boundless life of God, and vitality flows through me effortlessly. In moments of health challenges or healing, I affirm that my being aligns perfectly with the divine blueprint of wholeness. My thoughts are anchored in spiritual strength, and my faith is alive with expectation. I choose to live fully in the present moment, trusting completely in the power of divine life that moves within me. Centered in prayer, I embrace the truth of my wholeness, knowing that God's life continually renews, heals, and strengthens every part of my being. I am life. I am strength. I am whole. I am strong. I am steady. I am always prepared. In the deep knowing of God's presence and my divine nature, I draw upon an endless well of inner strength. In moments of confusion or change, I remain rooted in faith, clear and confident in my ability to bring resolution and peace. I am grounded in spiritual strength, a force that flows through me, guiding me with wisdom and empowering me to stand firm. I am steady, ready, and equipped with divine clarity in every circumstance. I am harmony. I am love. I am at peace. Centered in divine love, I am a radiant source of harmony. In the deep understanding of God and my true nature, I embody divine love wherever I go. My very presence brings peace and balance to those around me. I am a voice of unity, walking alongside others with grace and compassion, regardless of differing perspectives. In every moment, I live in the flow of divine love, knowing that harmony is my natural state. I choose to be a beacon of peace, reflecting the love that guides me. As we return our awareness to this present moment, we acknowledge with gratitude the truth that we are never powerless. We are always filled with the strength and ability to express divine power in our lives. With a heart full of gratitude, we conclude by reciting the prayer for protection. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. And so it is. Amen. Bless you and thank you for being present today.